This is how you can install Linux Mint on VMware Workstation. Step 1. Go to any web browser, search Linux Mint, click download. You can pick any desktop environment you like, but I will go with Cinnamon. Then click download. Scroll down until you see download mirrors. Then click World Linux Mint. Wait for a couple of minutes. If it's done, open VMware Workstation. On VMware, click File, New Virtual Machine. Click Next. Also click Next. I'll install operating system later. Make sure it says Linux Ubuntu 64. You can name your virtual machine, then click Next. Your CPU cores, go leave it as 2. For your memory, go with 8GB if you have 32. If you have 16, go with 4 or 8. For the network types, click Next. Also there, click Next. I recommend SATA, then click Next. Create a new virtual disk. Make sure it says store a virtual disk as a single file, then set the size. Then click Next. Then click Next. Then click Finish. Click Edit Virtual Machine. Click CD DVD. Click Use ISO Image. Then go to your downloads. Search the Linux Mint ISO. Then click OK. Then start up the VM. In this screen, hit Start Linux Mint. Once it's loaded, hit Install Linux Mint. Select your language, keyboard layout, then click Next. Multimedia codecs, continue. Erase and install Linux Mint, then continue. Hit Continue. Select your location, then click Continue. In the query page, put your name, you can change the username, create a password, then hit Continue. You can do whatever you want while you wait. Even browse the web. Once it's done, hit Restart Now. Log in the VM. Open the terminal. Type the following command: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Type in the password of the VM. Hit enter or type Y and hit enter. Restart your virtual machine. Log in your VM again. Now you can install your apps. Open the terminal, then type sudo apt install, put in your package name, then type in your password. Congratulations, you installed Linux Mint on VMware. Thanks for watching and hope you like my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, you can buy me a coffee.